Good morning guys, in front of me is INFINIX Note 11 Pro, and let me show you how to activate developer panel. So at first, open the settings, then find and select my phone. Here locate build number and tap on it 7 times. Once you do it, you will have to provide your screen lock pattern, pin code, password, whatever you have. And as you can see, from now on, you are a developer. So just let's go back. Now go to the very bottom of the list, enter system, and your developer options are right here. So click to open and use them however you like. So that would be all. This is how you can activate developer panel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.